Your Emeril Pasta Beyond can also be configured as a frozen treat maker. Let's take a look at how easy it is to change the configuration and make delicious frozen treats. For the frozen treat maker configuration, you will need the basic unit housing and the following frozen treat maker parts and accessories. They are blacked and marked with the letter J. The parts and accessories for the frozen treat configuration are the shoot tray, the pusher, the juicer frozen treat housing, the juicer frozen treat auger, the frozen treat blocker, the juicer frozen treat seal cap, the extrusion cap with star center, and the clear food and pulp collector. Let's assemble them all together. First, slide the frozen treat auger into the frozen treat housing. Then, attach the frozen treat housing into the matching slots on the basic unit housing. Twist counterclockwise to lock in place. Slide the frozen treat blocker in place on the auger and secure everything in place by screwing the juicer frozen treat seal cap to the threads on the front of the frozen treat housing. Push the extrusion cap with the star center onto the frozen treat screw cap and lock into place by turning counterclockwise. Place the food collector underneath the spout on the frozen treat housing. You can add the shoot tray to help hold the frozen fruit. Now, you are ready to make frozen treats. It is best to allow the frozen fruit to thaw for a few minutes to allow for a smoother consistency and easier extrusion. You do this by inserting your frozen treats into the chute and press the on button and then the forward button to start the extrusion. Push the frozen fruit down the chute using the pusher tool. You do not need to push hard. Even pressure is good. Your delicious frozen treat will fall into the collection tray and you are ready to enjoy a delightful frozen treat. When you are done, press the white button on the basic unit housing. Rotate the frozen treat housing clockwise and remove. And that's how you can create frozen treats using your Emeril Pasta Beyond. For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.